Hello everyone. Today I'm going to go over the installation for Windows 10 Enterprise Edition, and I'm going to be using my Hyper-V virtual machine. So here I have the Windows setup page, so everything's in English, US, click next, and click install. Accept the terms. Now I can upgrade or I can do custom install, so I'll do custom, and I'll be choosing the 127 gigs I have for this drive. Just click next. So my Windows 10 Enterprise Edition has been installed, and now I have to set it up. So this is a setup page that you get afterwards. So you have to choose the Express settings. So you just click here, and at the moment I don't have a switch connected to my Hyper-V, so it won't connect to the internet. Okay, so it can't connect to my network connection because I don't have the internet set up for this virtual machine, and I'm just gonna skip. So I'm just gonna be naming this admin, and then I have to put a password. Yeah, so we have the welcome screen. Okay, so I've hopped onto full screen mode for you guys so you can see better. What we're going to do is we're going to go over a little bit of the features that come with Windows 10. One of the most prominent features that you get is one of my most favorite. So if you remember back in Windows 7, and we used to have that start menu. You just click on the start button on the bottom left, and it'll it'll show you that the quick and handy start menu. So they've actually brought a part of it back. So if you click on the Windows icon here, here's the new start menu. So here we have File Explorer, so you can search through your files. So this takes you to the quick access, desktop, documents, downloads, and pictures. And we also have our OneDrive and PC and network options on the left side. Then we have our documents, settings. Settings will take you through all the programs and accounts and systems, and setting up your PC the way that you want it to. So this is our settings page. Then we have our most used apps recently added. We have the power button, and then we have all apps, so you can search through all the apps straight through this little handy side panel here. Go back, and we have our mix of Windows 8 tiles. So here's our tiles that you can customize, so you can drag and drop these tiles wherever you like, and you can add in new ones. Like, for example, if I want to add in paint, just organize this a little bit. Here's my paint added on, and you have options to unpin from start. You can pin to the taskbar down here. You can open and run as admin. You can also resize the tiles. So you have small and medium options for these apps, and then for these more featured apps, you get a little bit more options for resizing. So you have the wide angle, so you have the wide option, the large option, and the medium and small. So we're just gonna keep it as a wide option. And you can drag and drop these to the desktop if you like also. So it'll create a shortcut for the mail app right here. You have the option of choosing what kind of start menu you want. So if you go to properties, here's start menu, and you can choose if you want the old Windows 8 start menu, or do you want this new start menu that they've created for Windows 10. You also have the option to create desktops. So if you're like me, for example, I make videos, I need a desktop that's clean and doesn't have all my icons. So you click on this icon and click on new desktop, and here's my second desktop that's added. So here's my oh, okay, so it looks like that mail app's been the shortcut's been added to this desktop. Let me see if I, yeah, so if you create a desktop, it looks like there's some setting that by default adds in the apps to all the other desktops. So if you have, let's say we want to take our downloads folder and add it here, documents and pictures. So if I go back, yeah, it looks like they're all showing up in all the desktops. So we probably just have to figure out there's something in the settings that we'll have to go through and figure that out, but I won't do that right now. I'll figure that out some other time. But you have the option of creating more desktops if you want to. Here I have 6 desktops. Not necessary. If you want to get rid of them, you just click on the X button here, and it'll get rid of the desktops that you don't want. So you also have the snap feature. So if you open up downloads, you can snap this folder or an app to the side of the window. So you just drag it to the right side, and it'll perfectly create a snap in for half of the window or your monitor, and then you can do the same with documents, another app too. So it will align those two right in the center. And if you do have, let's say, more than one app or folder open, then let's say that I take my downloads and I snap into the right side, and it'll give me options. So if I want to, it'll ask me if I want to snap in pictures or documents, or if I have another app open, if I want to snap in that app on the left side. So we did have that feature available in Windows 8, except this is a little bit more intuitive. And we also have Cortana. So Cortana is the personal assistant like Siri, or we have Google Now for Google, and she's integrated with Windows 10, so she can help you look up files or in your local machine, or help you search the web or create tasks. So if you just click on the settings here, it'll show you Cortana, so you can turn Cortana off or on. You do need a Microsoft account to use Cortana. They're pretty adamant about that. So if you turn on, then they'll ask you to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you click no thanks, it forces you to connect through the Microsoft account to use Cortana. But I guess that's not that bad, as long as you get to use her. So she can make contacts, and she can help you do your work, and set up reminders, alerts, and help you browse history, or search through your browser and your local machine for files. If you get Office, Office is universal, so you can use it through all your devices like laptop, tablet, or phone. So thanks for watching the installation of Windows 10 and the features that we went through. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like the video, and look forward to my other videos and tutorials. Thank you.